She can't arrest me. Walk up with my toolie, what they do? Meet me in the alley with the troops.
Yo, what is up everybody? EWMX04 here, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be reacting to Ceeday's new video that dropped yesterday. It's called 5 Suppressed Scars. And yeah. Bro, you guys love it when I do Ceeday reactions. I think the one that I did with what was it called? Me and my defaulty family. I think that's what's called. Damn, it's like halfway there to 2,000 views, and I just want to thank you guys so much for the support that you guys have been giving me throughout to this channel. Even though I made it a month ago. Damn, that's just crazy, bro. Almost there to 100 subscribers, bro. Can't wait. But enough talking. Let's get straight to it, man. This video is 7 minutes long, so yeah. In 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so I'm a little late to the whole suppressed AR thing. Let's be honest, it wouldn't be a Ceeday video if I wasn't. The goal for the day is to win a game with suppressed weapons only. If I do end up running into this gun first, just know I'm using that gun only. New scar, new scar, new scar. Are you fucked? Today's video is all about being sneaky. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh my god.
Was that ninja?
Shit. You know what, dude? Come here. Come at me, dude. I will fucking just shit on you.
Oh my god. Please, bitch. Oh my god. Offside Ceeday. What the fuck? What? No! How did he know? The boogeyman's going for you, Oh my god. The trap is all set. Now I need a bait. A little closer. Come on, a little closer.
What is going on here?
Boom. I'm about to play this guy so hard.
Oh, Ceeday.
That was not what I meant to do. Is he? What the fuck is going on? Throw one. Alright, we need to kill each other. Let's stop.
Boom.
I missed both.
He just
Suppressed weapon. What's wrong? Oh, this is gonna be perfect. Alright, this is gonna be risky. He didn't see. I'm gonna hope he didn't see that. Hey, how's it going? Oh. Man, leave me alone. Oh my god. Can you just let go? Please just let go. Wait, is that a suppressed pistol? It is. What's up, bitch? Now I got time. I'm joking. Fuck! I'm out of mats. Not fair. Okay, I'm about to get folded. Yeah, you go up there and fight. No, not me, not me, not me, not me! Don't come in here, man! Oh! He had 2 of them! The fuck was this guy packing? What's up? The hell? He doesn't know I'm here. Does he know I'm here? He doesn't know. He does know. You thought... Okay. Are you kidding me?
Oh,
no, don't die
Lord.
like this. Do not die like this. I'm not about to die like this.
Say.
Holy shit, there's someone else over there. Wait, does he not know I'm up here? He doesn't know I'm up here.
Shoot with your scar.
Bitch!
Ooh.
No, no, no! Want some? Give me the scar. I can do the new scar only. No, you're not gonna ruin this for me. You are not gonna ruin this for me. Die! Holy! I am winning this game. I don't give a shit.
Wrong. Wrong.
Stop. Oh
dies.
no! Okay, I'm gonna drop a shield here, and I'm gonna drop one here. Now we play the waiting game. Did he see me? Nah, he didn't see me. He's a default skin. It's an actual default skin. Yeah, you see those shields? Yeah. Oh, he sees them. Oh, he's in hot pursuit. Oh my god.
Wait a minute.
Fuck. No. Why is he suspicious? Bye.
What the fuck is that?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Shit, the
There's
fuck
another
is
one. We
that?
got another one. Oh, there's two of them. There's that guy and there's someone to my right. I don't want to move though. Holy shit.
Bro, the cube.
Bye. Come on.
Bro.
Yeah. It's another default. No, he saw me. No. Is he gonna die?
I'm done.
This might work, but it also might get me killed. Oh, someone's right above me. I'm dead. Go fuck yourself. Cool. Cool. Go for that chug jug, by the way. Bye. Bitch! Here's someone. Yes. Yes. Yeah, check that bush, dumbass. Bye! No! Stop it! Stop it! Get up, you! Man, leave me alone. Really? Double teaming? That's how low we are. Got him. Got him. All my hard work paid off.
Damn.
Why are you camping up here?
No way.
I know what men can do when they're angry.
She would have it. I can do suppress only. Holy shit. You know what? I'm just gonna get it from her. I don't need that. She can blow herself up. Or that guy can kill her. Kill her. Perfect. Where's that shit at? Give me that shit. Where is it? No! Holy. Bye.
Oh my god.
Yo. Where you going? It's funny because he thought he was sneaky. Another one, of course. His default skin. You know what? This might be dumb. I think I can get 5 of these. You know what? I'm going back. I might be able to get 5. I'm doing it for the title, man. How are there 4 people? Where's everyone hiding? Busted. Oh shit, they're right next to each other.
He said my kill
let's
now.
go. Fuck out of here, that weak shit. You better have one. No, he has a regular scar. Oh, he had one, yes! This last guy has to get sprayed down. Where is he? You in here, huh? Come on out. Busted, and he's kind of whooping my ass.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Keep playing with me. Keep playing with me. I can spray all day.
Ooh. Bro, this was funny. Oh my god. The ninja part. Bro, oh my god. Oh my gosh, that was funny as hell. Holy shit. I'm giving that a like. That's 2 million views already. Holy shit. Alright guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's reaction video. If you guys did, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you guys want to see the original video, link will be in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.